whereas each topic is a distribution of words, each document is a distribution of topics. So that's how you make the little fingerprint of the document. And that's how
Jesus.
they compare them to see how similar they are. They're like, it's 30% topic 1, 20% topic 2, 12% topic 3, and so on. And then it'll just do that for all the documents. And then that's how they can see how similar they are.
So this is why you've been awake for 4 days. This is what you've been doing this entire time.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
How is your brain functioning right now?
Right now, my brain is decent. I think it's
how
made
was
a
it
little
right
bit
at
of
the
a
end,
recovery. Oh, it was hurting so bad. It was hurting so bad. It was
Jesus.
slow, and my eyes hurt, and head hurt, and vision was looking weird, and it was just like slurry. Like when I was reading stuff, it felt slurry.
Yeah.
And, my stomach, I was getting all nauseous, and that's when I knew I had to sleep finally.
Yeah.
But
Well,
yeah,
for the people listening that don't know, tell us about yourself. What do you do? Who
um,
are you? I know who you
Who
are.
am
I know
I?
you
Who
make the
am
best
I?
fucking hand sanitizer I've ever used.
yeah, coronavirus. Thanks to that, a little bit of innovation in the face of problems.
Joe has home crafted this hand sanitizer that literally it's better than any lotion, and it also sanitizes, keeps you nice and not dry.
Shout out the ingredient list if you want to make it at home. I didn't want to go to the store to buy some hand sanitizer. I heard they were all out, so I was like, well, I'm gonna find out how to make some. I looked up a couple recipes. I saw the stuff in my house, and then I kind of winged it and made my own. I did some
As
witch
geniuses
hazel.
do.
I used some witch hazel. That has some good disinfectant properties. It's not like alcohol. It comes from a plant, but it's still a natural disinfectant. It's also good as like a facial cleanser. What do they call that? Not conditioner. What do you do to your face?
Exfoliator.
Exfoliate, but
Cleaner?
what's
I've used that before. It's an astringent, I think.
astringent is
word.
the word. Yeah, toner. That's the word. Toner. Yeah.
Like your printer.
Yeah.
Is that a witch
kinda.
hazel?
Witch hazel and some blueberry dyes, different dyes.
Wait, is
for
that
the
what
colors.
toner actually does in a printer? It like cleans shit? I never knew.
I don't know.
We gotta
I
look
don't
that
know.
up.
Yeah. That's for another podcast.
Fuck printers, by the way. I hate printers.
Yeah.
They're so
They're hard to
annoying.
find right now.
They're hard to find. They're annoying to use. They always fucking break. They're super
Yeah.
expensive.
Yeah.
Anyway, Joe, who are you? Tell the people.
Wait. Hand sanitizer first. So it's witch hazel, and then you add your tea tree essential oil because that has antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral properties. You add a good bit of that, and then you add some lavender. That has some possible antimicrobial activity, but it's also good for the smell. You add some castor oil because that's gonna get it good and moisturized, so you're not drying out your hands,
What is
getting
castor
chapped.
oil?
I think it's.
Sounds like something you'd put in a car.
Yeah, it does, but it's not. It's from I think it's like a nut or something like, I don't know, but it's like a thicker oil.
Yeah.
For you can put in your hair, your
gotcha.
hands, like it's a moisturizer. And then what else? Aloe. I have an aloe plant, and I cut
Oh,
off
yeah.
a couple leaves of those because that's classic. You see that in all the moisturizers,
That's
like a
probably
little
why
bit
it
of aloe
feels so
vera.
nice.
Yeah. And it kind of gave it a purple color, which I wasn't expecting.
The
I
aloe?
actually, yeah, the aloe, because when the cell, I guess when it dies, like it starts to turn purple. And they do something in the normal hand sanitizer to keep it clear,
Yeah.
which is weird. But I like the look. It gives it a good, cool purple color.
Yeah.
I was kind of worried at first because I like put on my hands and I had like a little cut and there was like a little blood and I thought somehow I got the blood into it and that was what was coloring it. I was like, no, and because it was only a couple like drops at first that were
yeah.
kind of that purple color. And I was like, is that my blood? Did I
Yeah.
really mess up this whole hand sanitizer and contaminate it with my blood?
I gotta
But then
get
it all
some of
turned
that.
purple.
You gotta make a big batch.
Yeah, I wanted to take it into the lab and see how effective it was at like killing bacteria to put like some sort of, I don't know, evidence behind it. But I
Yeah,
mean,
right.
like there is research on witch hazel, tea tree, and their antimicrobial activity.
Right, because
and I
everyone
use
was saying
strong
you need a
amounts of them.
certain percent alcohol for your hand sanitizer to work, right?
Yeah. But I did a lot of that stuff. Like those were like the main proportional ingredient. Well, essential oil is concentrated, so you don't put a lot by volume. But like,
Right.
and then the aloe, and then a little
But
jojoba.
even if not, like if you have to use Purell and then use that after, your hands wouldn't get dry.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
A little 1-2 punch.
True. It's nice.